How to fix washed out colors on Mac. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix washed out colors on Mac. In Preferences, turn on Use Mac Display Profile. In Project Settings in the Color Management section, set your output color space to rec.909-A. On the Deliver page, leave the color space and gamma tags at the same as the project. It is General Preference Settings in the Resolve system. Under Color Management, check that rec.709-A box. After you set these preferences, restart Resolve Studio. Bit depth or color depth is the number of bits on the red, green, and blue channels in an RGB image. More BPC delivers more color combinations and accuracy. 10-bit allows for a much more colorful experience with 1024 per channel, or 11.07 billion colors. 8-bit provides a maximum of 256 shades each of red, green, and blue, or 16.7 million colors. Now, that sounds like a lot, but you will likely see banding and gradients in 8BP, while in 10-bit, your gradients will look smooth.